Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sports. Igama lami Mbonga Inkosi. Ngithembe uthini kahle, niyaphila. Danko. Iphutha ekungamelanga silenze and futhi singacabanga ukulenza is to think that we're going to play against a team that is going to make things easier for us. And Scotland FC is a good team with good players. Khona bangakhala bathi hayi sikudlala amakhehla. Kunama players laphana amasha. And it's going to be a competitive match. So starting 11, a coach that I believe which he might use against Scotland FC is starting 11 that suspicious fun nalesi sisibona against the Elche. Uzofuna uqinisa because he knows very well that it is important ukuthi Chiefs ilwine le trophy. Even though it is part of a pre-season, but it counts for something. There's no way we might create a trophy and we end up not winning that trophy ourselves. It can't go to that extent. This edition mele iti Kaizer Chiefs. But I think number one, it's obvious, it's going to be Brendan Peterson. And good pre-season ngembonile ama games awadlalile so far. He only conceded 2 goals. And it was in the same game, the final game of the pre-season lapha Spain. He's our reliable goalkeeper so far. And you just hope it will stay that way. Left back, lapana I believe asinayo choice engako. Since Marco naye is a player that I believe it is injury prone. The last time I checked, they reported that une injury of a forearm, but kuma players lawe ngwabonile that I'm certain they won't be available kusasa. He's not part of that group. Because lapha it's uKhanyisa Mayo and uThulani Mabaso bese sifaka noNkanyiso Shinga. So ku left back kusho kona ukuthi it's uNgwesa and uCross. So uCross is the one that is tried and tested, is going to be used because sesimjwayele siyamazi ukuthi operate kanjani. So he's going to offer us that defensive role that we need in a left back. Bese ku left center back uhambile uMakhadi and I won't say ukuthi sizoqala with Rushen Dodlu. Rushen Dodlu sesekuye recovery process, so we cannot rush him. Even though I saw him training with the squad, simply means he is nearing his full recovery. So sekuyolinda nje ukuthi simbone a fully fit. But lapha I believe they're gonna play Inacio Miguel. Ivikela Mbuso, there's no player kulawo esinawo kwamanye ama right center backs that I believe ukuthi bangamjaho kumdlalisa as a left center back. Even though Umloisane can play as a left center back, but he won't be the preferred, since we know with the experience ka Miguel, it allows him to ayidlale that position. And all the time when he plays as a left center back, I rate him there compared to a right center back. Good left center back, he's very calm and he makes things simple for himself because he understands one thing. I'm playing in an unfamiliar position, so I cannot afford to make mistakes. So he's going to be the preferred left center back. Ku right center back, most people banga prefer ukuthi babone iJezelisha kuThabo Mloisane. But I believe ukuthi General Tata Zonke, given Msimang, is going to be the preferred right center back. Even though kunokunika, but I think ucoach tried the combination yaga Miguel and Msimango lapana ku pre-season, and bengazathi understand that because it's 2 different profiles and different players that offer you different input in a game. General Tata Zonke, I believe he has improved in terms of a passing range. His long passes are very accurate, so we might want to capitalize on that. When we start a counter attack, it will be there. Even though defensively he's good, sometimes he's not, but aerially he's supposed to be good because of his height. Go right back, I believe he's going to be Umonyane. He looks like he's the first choice for Kaizer Chiefs, and I just hope uSolomons angeke bamove phambili, but nalapho it's not a bad idea. But with Umonyane, you know very well ukuthi kule system ka Da Cruz, it benefits him. It works in his favor because of what he is, a fullback that can play as a wing back. He likes to overlap, so that's why I believe which is going to be the preferred choice. Even though we have Ufroz like that, but uFrozler, it seems like it is going to be used in multiple positions. Nakhona we are not sure, because what we saw ku pre-season, it does not mean ukuthi into abazoyenza, but it was a good opportunity for coach ukuthi experiment. That's where I believe ukuthi pre-season comes in, ukuthi coach akwazi experiment. Middle of the park, now Mtasingwa, I don't think ukuthi they will start him, but he will play in this game. Nakanjani second half ngiyamnika nje intambo. I just hope ukuthi nje iChiefs ingenza kahle ku first half, so that it eases the pressure from him, because we know as fans ukuthi asikhathalele ukuthenjwa, it's a friendly or not, thina sifuna ukubona iplayer perform. Ukuthi uyile pre-season akayanga asingeni, but with my boy there, I believe ukuthi is going to come in handy, and is going to make sure ukuthi he protects the back four, and also is the one that is going to be coming deep, collecting from our center backs, so that we implement that style of play Sakata Cruz of building from the back. So there's no better player, better equipped than him in that role of dropping deeper, collect, and then Skalek is born with Senza going forward. He's very good. I just hope good he'll stop with his casualties, because so casual on the ball, and it might cost the club if he's not aware of that. Ngimbona yenza in 2 occasions ku pre-season, but let's just hope nje ukuthi into nje bekayizama and uzoyilungisa. Number 8 is between uGatsheni and uNkosingphile Ngcobo, but I also have a feeling ukuthi uNgcobo they might use him ku attacking midfield. But I think Kaizer Chiefs will want to go all out ukuthi we want a combination that we know which it already works. So it's Maboy and uSiphethihle Ndlovu, and uNdlovu man mele ayilungise le ndaba yakhe ukuthi yena uzokhahlela abantu, angazi ukuthi ubani umncomile, but it doesn't put him in a place whereby ukuthi ibhola lidlalayo seliyachaza anymore, because yena he's good, but indlela sekadlala ngayo manje imnika igama elibi man, it paints him bad ebantwini ukuthi into yazi ukukhahlelana. Let's just hope ukuthi uzoyilungisa. Attacking midfield, yeah, it's between Chislet and uNkosingphile Ngcobo. And this is a perfect opportunity for a player like Eden Chislet ukuthi azibonakalise, since umuntu odai asanesana namanxeba. So it's an opportunity for him ukuthi akwazi ukusibonisa ukuthi I am a player that you can rely on. I am a player that knows what he's doing. I just need a little bit of patience, or if not patience, I just need people to believe in me, of which I believe which is a good player. He is a good player. He just need that one moment. Ukuthi nje ayenze sure ukuthi he unlocks something in his game, and then it's chai. And then kuma wingers between Velepai and Upulemodi, who would I prefer lapana ku left wing? I believe, yeah, it's a bit difficult, because after Velepai showing signs of improvement in pre-season, you might want him to start. Also, you need the experience of Upulemodi. Maybe this time he might be used differently, not to play as a wing fullback, but play as a wing completely. It's difficult. But what can Pulemodi give that Velepai can't or much? Hey, kunzima. But I think ngizoya ngoVelepai. I believe ukuthi he might be given that opportunity. Kuthi sibone ukuthi was it by fluke or vele sekuyinto vele sizoyibona njalo, because you can't be introduced in a lifestyle that a player cannot maintain. And you need i-pace yakhe and i-decision making ukuthi mele ibe spot on ku-final third. Angasayi khonini ayi-direct. Bese ke striking force, we have Ugodaro, we have Bartman, we have Flavio Silva. Da Silva is the preferred choice, I believe, ukuthi kuyoqaliswa yena. But people are saying that Da Silva is good as a super sub, not as a start. But we haven't seen Ugodaro as a starter for Chiefs, and we haven't seen him score goals for Chiefs. So here we are going with something that we are familiar with. But along the way, things might change. So Flavio Silva uye esombeka laphana, hoping ukuthi Ighodaro will remain injury free throughout the whole season. Right winger, it's a perfect opportunity for Mfundo Vilakazi ukuthi azibambe isiqina, because he was overshadowed by Lilipo, with Lilipo reported that he's leaving Kaizer Chiefs isikhathi sakhe, but we are not putting any pressure in him. It's just he has to make sure ukuthi he fixes the wrongs that he was doing in the previous season. Lento ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba selfish, decision making yakho is questionable. Now it's all about now playing with irresponsibility. Ukuthi I have to help the club. I-pressure angeke siyibeke kwingane, but naye by now he understands ukuthi he has to deliver. So 2 or 3 if not mistaken ama-seasons awadlalile kwe-Kaizer Chiefs. So it's a player I believe ukuthi this season uye ozoyenza sure ukuthi ibhola lakhe liya-improve. Bese kuma-subs is everyone that I didn't count. Aboduba, wena, abomloyisane, Zitha Kunika, niyabazi bafethu, niyabazi. What's important is starting 11, not ama-subs. But even now ama-subs, they can be introduced second half and then change the complexion of the game, including Umtasing, because vele sifuna ukumbona ijezelisha. Danko.